Cycle Solutions is your one-stop shop for upgrades and service. Cycle Solutions, Fort Myers at CycleSolutions.com. Taking your bike from the street to the strip.
This is Chris Waddell from Cycle Solutions, coming to you from balmy Sturgis, South Dakota. We're pre-rally right now, and I have the luxury of getting to play with the 23 CVO Road Life 121. Jason Dyer from Rapid City, he's the owner of the bike, and he's the one that wants to know. So earlier today, D&D put a billet cat on this bike, 2-in-1. Nobody knew if it would fit. It does. More importantly, how it ran. The bike seems to be rich enough, at least riding it on the dyno. So now I'm going to start it up and make a horsepower pull so you guys can see what it actually makes. Get some air protection in. Push and hold the traction control. This will be a 4th-gear pull. This bike's only got a couple of 100 miles on it. Makes 111.95 horse and 124 foot-pounds of torque. With the traction control button pressed and the function as turned off as you can make it, it doesn't really, it's not apparent at all when you pull the trigger up here. So I'm certain that there's going to be a whole lot more as tuners and cams and whatnot comes out for this. So tune in. Check us out at CycleSolutions.com. If you want to be notified when new videos from Cycle Solutions are released, hit the like and subscribe button to follow us.